Good morning and Jai Hind. In today's video, we are going to study the next chapter, that is a poem, Father Williams, which is written by Lewis Carroll. Before starting to read this poem, there is an activity for you all. So for that activity, let us read the questions. Do you know anyone who behaves in an odd or unusual manner? Describe how this person behaves and explain the reason for this kind of behavior. So the first activity is to name the person whom you believe that he behaves in an unusual manner, that is not usual. Okay, and you should find out the reason why he is behaving in such a manner. Next question is, how do you decide, or how do we decide what is normal behavior and what is not, and what causes people to behave in a manner that is not normal? That means we should define the reasons, we should give the reasons on which basis we are going to define a behavior as normal or abnormal, and the reason why why the people behave in such a manner that is not normal. That means they are behaving in abnormally. Why and what's the reason behind that? The next question is, how do you feel about such people? You have to describe your feelings also towards those people also. And the last one is, do you think it is acceptable to make fun of people whose behavior is not what you consider to be normal? So the last question, it is given that those people who are not behaving normally according to you, is it okay for you to make fun of them or because of their behavior? Do you feel this, and what's your feeling about this, whether it should be acceptable or not? Okay, this is a small activity having 4 questions you have to do with your own. Okay, now I am going to start reading the poem. You are old, Father William, the young man said, and your hair has become very white, and yet you incessantly stand on your head. Do you think at your age it is right? So in the first stanza of the poem, as you can see in the picture, that a man is standing on his head, that is a Father William, and a son who is standing next to this old man is his son, who is asking his father why he is standing in this manner in spite of his old age. And he is reminding him that as you have been grown old and your hairs are also white, and in spite of all this your physical condition, you are still standing on your head, and which is quite not normal at all at your age. He is asking his father that, do you think that at this old age is it right for you to do such a thing? Let us read the second stanza of the poem. In my youth, Father William replied to his son, I feared it might injure the brain. But now that I am perfectly sure I have none, why I do it again and again. So, as we have seen in the first stanza, that son of Mr. William has questioned him for acting in such a manner at his old age. After listening this, Father William replied that when Father William was young, then he was little bit frightened about the damage which may cause to his brain while doing such an act. But right now, in the present, he feels that Father William don't carry any brain in his body, and there is no harm in acting in such a way as there is no brain, so it won't get damaged. So he is doing this act again and again. Let us read the third stanza. "You are old," said the youth, "as I mentioned before, and have grown most uncommonly fat. Yet you turned a back somersault in at the door. Pray, what is the reason of that?" Now, after asking the first question, still the curiosity arises in the son of Mr. William. He is shooting one more question to his father, that and reminding him about his old age, as if "You are quite old, and I have mentioned this before, you are not physically fit at all. You are quite fat, you are quite healthy," and still uh, asking his father that why you are doing somersault at the back. It may harm you, obviously. So he is asking, what's the reason behind by doing such or by acting in such a way? The next stanza is, "In my youth," said the sage, as he shook his grey locks, "I kept all my limbs very supple. By the use of this ointment, 1 shilling the box, allow me to sell you a couple." So, after questioning in the last stanza by his son, in this stanza, Father William answered his son by telling him that while he was young, he was using ointment whose cost was a British old coin worth 12 pence, and because of the usage of that ointment, the muscles of Father William were quite flexible, and because of that, at such an old age, Father William is capable of doing somersault. And at the same moment, Father William is asking his son to buy some ointment for himself also, so that he may be quite flexible like his father. With this, I am going to end my video. Thank you.